Extremely clean. Stainless steel. No eye service on the door. That sometimes works to an advantage because sometimes those can be problematic. Had it plugged in for about 10 minutes now, so just going to go ahead and do everything here. A little bit of, I mean, there's nothing really that you can tell unless you look right up to it as far as sheet metal goes. Now that there is an edge that has a little bit of a crimp there, but again, you can't tell unless you actually look for it. Handles in the middle. Does have the plate on the bottom, which is rare for these once they get to be about 8 or 9 years old. This one here was manufactured in 10 of 03, so probably put in service probably January of 04. There's the plate. It's the manufacturer plate there. Everything seems to be in working order on this. A little bit dirty on the inside. Missing the water tank there for the service there, but that's okay. You can replace that. Crispers, drawers. Very clean refrigerator, actually. And everything's working up top here. It does blow cold air. So we're at 52.5 degrees in the vents here. It takes about a day for this thing to cool off completely. Ambient temperature is 68 degrees. Works very quietly. I can feel it blowing out here actually, so it's very efficient working. There's that. And up top, looks like it was very well cleaned. So there's the works right there. I just put my plug up there to test it. You can feel it blowing hot air up here. So it is exchanging heat. So at the vent here, 81 degrees. There we go. It takes a day for this thing to cool completely off and cycle correctly. We'll go ahead and put that back on. Make sure here. There we go. So that is the side-by-side Kitchenaide 42-inch refrigerator.